Hello, and welcome to this month's video blog. Today we're going to be discussing the ArcticVent-HT. One of the common questions that we receive is, how do we install the ArcticVent-HT if we have a 4-inch vent stack opposed to a 3-inch vent stack? The ArcticVent-HT has been developed with a coupling that will take and accept a 3-inch vent stack. In the event that a 4-inch vent stack is on the roof, it is a very simple process in order to adapt the ArcticVent-HT to it. What we require is a 4x3 reducing coupling and a short length of 3-inch ABS pipe. This particular piece here has been cut to a length of 5 inches. The 4-inch coupling would simply go on top of your 4-inch vent stack. We would then simply place in a short length of 3-inch ABS pipe. And now we have the ability to adapt the ArcticVent-HT to a 4-inch vent stack. Now, as we can kind of see in this example, we could even continue to further trim down this short length of 3-inch ABS pipe if we wanted to extend the length of the HT further into the roof or attic space. So with a simple modification, the ArcticVent-HT can easily be adapted to both 4-inch and this common 3-inch vent stack. I hope you found this video blog helpful. We will continue to release a video blog monthly, so be sure to check out our social media pages and our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.